Today in this video, we are going to tell you some simple home remedies that will shrink the size of skin pores and your skin will start to look much younger. Enlarged open pores on face can make your skin look aged and unhealthy. They can also increase the skincare problems such as acne and blackheads, especially for people with oily skin. Ingredients required for this remedy are egg white and lemon juice. Egg white business works great for drawing excess oil out of freezing skin. To prepare this remedy, in a clean bowl, take white portion of 1 egg, add few drops of fresh lemon juice in this, with this mixture well, and your remedy is ready. Now spread this mixture evenly on your clean face and let it dry completely. Wash it off with cool water. As eggs wipe dry, it pulls dirt and excess oil out of skin pores and tightens the skin. Egg white and lemon, a face mask, is one of the most effective remedy to shrink large pores because it tones up and tightens the skin. For better results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times in a week. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.